Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel RJK Tutorials. So today I'll be doing the review of Kset 2017 Management Paper 3. So as you seen in the previous video, I've done the review of Kset 2017 Management Paper 2, which was consisting of 50 questions for 100 marks. In paper 3, there are 75 questions, so total marks is 150. So I request you to see the management paper 2 video. Then you can see the management paper video 3. So it's a continuation of the previous video. So let us go through the questions and see what are the appropriate answers for these questions. So the first question, which of the following term is used to describe the process intended to help the fresh employees to socialize with the people and the work environment in a particular organization? So this process is called induction. So therefore the correct option is B, induction. Second question, the following encompasses the various steps in manpower planning. Arrange the above in the order in which they happen and select the correct answer using the codes given below. So the correct option is 3, 2, 4, 1, 5, 6. That is option B you have to select. So let us see the order. So first one is determining the manpower requirements, then forecasting demand for human resources, then manpower inventory, collecting information regarding the sources of manpower supply, then recruitment and selection. The last one is placement. So therefore the correct option for second question is B, which consists of 3, 2, 4, 1, 5, 6. A third question, match the following column A versus column B. So these are the options given here. The different time systems are given here, and how the workers are paid based upon this time system. So the payment of wage system is given here. So you have to match according to its importance. Now here the correct option is D. For A it is 3, for B it is 1, for C it is 2, for D it is 4. So let us see that one. Time wage management system is related to a worker is paid on the basis of time spent on the work irrespective of work done. Then we have the B, it is 1, that is piece rate system. Here the worker is paid of a stipulated rate per piece or unit of output. Then we have a C, it is 2, that is a Taylor's piece rate system. Here a worker is paid more if he finishes the assigned task before the stipulated time. Then we have a D, uh, scan on I'm sorry, scan loan plan. So scan loan plan, here the option is 4, ensuring employees participation in reducing labor cost. So that is how the option is to be selected. So for third question, the answer is D, 3, 1, 2, 4. Next we go for the fourth question, which is related to assertion and reasoning. The assertion is job analysis information provides the basic information or the foundation of an organization's human resource information system, or HRIS. The reason is job analysis information can be collected through interviews, juries of experts, mailed questionnaires, employee logbook, direct observation, or some combination of these techniques. So here the correct answer is A. Both the statement are true. That is, both assertion and reasoning are related to each other, and it is true. So next we go to the fifth question. Which of the following are the major advantages of arbitration? The correct option is D. That is, arbitration can be chosen as per the need of the case. Then B, arbitration is faster as compared to litigation. And C, arbitral award can be made confidential as they are not announced publicly. So therefore arbitration gives the correct answer for all the three, A, B, C. So therefore the correct option for fifth question is D. So next we go to the sixth questions. The unions are not anti-capitalist organization. They are in the least degree political. Their main aim is to increase their internal strength, to work conscientiously, and to take from the employer no more than what is rightfully due to the laborers. So who has told this particular statement? The correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. So therefore, for sixth question, the correct option is D, Mahatma Gandhi. Next, we go to the seventh question. Who among the following authored the book Designing and Managing Human Resource System with special emphasis on HRD? The correct option is A, Uday, Parikh and Rao. So this is the correct answer. Eighth one. Which two of the following examples of on-the-job training is correct? So here the option is D. 2 and 4 is correct. That is mentoring by colleague and transfer to other departments. So these are the two form of on-the-job training. So the correct answer for eighth question is D. So next we go to the ninth question. An organization provides employee benefits in form of convenience facilities, housing facilities, education facilities for the children of the employees. What kind of benefits is the organization providing to the employees in this instance? So here the correct option is fringe benefits. Why it is fringe benefits? So first of all, you should know what you mean by fringe benefits. So fringe benefits are nothing but the employers pay fringe benefits, also known as voluntary benefits, to the employees as a supplement to the regular salary. So this is add-on benefit given to the employees apart from the salary. So fringe benefits can be used as an effective tool to attract, recruit, motivate and retain the highly qualified workforce. So the common fringe benefits which are given for the employees, this includes health insurance, life insurance, tuition assistance or tuition allowance, child care reimbursement, cafeteria subsidies, below market loans, employee discount, employee stock option, and personal use of the company owned vehicle. So these benefits, add-on benefits which are given to the employees are called fringe benefits. So therefore, the correct answer for ninth question is C, fringe benefits. So next we go to the 10th one. Supply forecast in context of HRM is also known as manpower inventory. It is also known as manpower inventory. So therefore, the correct answer for 10th question is B. So 11th one, formal rewards provided by organizations that do not lend themselves to being related to performance include all the following except which one of the following. So except one of the following, it is all included. So that is merit plans. So except merit plans, all other things are included. What is that? The things included: insurance plans, paid holidays and paid vacation. So therefore, merit plan is not included. So therefore, this is exceptional one. So therefore, the correct answer for 11th question is B, merit plan. So next we go to the 12th question. Piece rate system means that a worker who produces more will be rewarded more. That means a worker who produces more quantities of products will be given more incentives. So therefore, the correct option for 12th question is A, who produces more will be rewarded more. So next we go to the 13th question. HR audit includes what? So the correct answer is B, valuation of human capital. So first of all, you should know what you mean by HR audit. An HR or human resource audit is an objective assessment or examination of a company's HR practices, policies, and procedures. So HR audit allows a business to identify issues with its HR department and develop a improvement solutions or develop a sustainable solution for HR related problems. So therefore, the correct answer for 13th question is B. So 14th question, The strategy of achieving competitiveness through rational reduction of workforce in an organization is called downsizing. Is called downsizing. So therefore, the correct answer for 14th question is A, downsizing. 15th question, which of the following is not one of the advantage of external recruitment? So it is not one of the advantage. So what is that one exceptional one? It is often cheaper and easier to hire technical, skilled and competent employees from outside. So therefore, D is not the correct option. So therefore, the correct option for 15th question is D. So here they are asked which is not one of the advantage, which is not having advantage is the D. So therefore, 15th question is answer D. So 16th question, equity theory of work motivation has been developed by, the option is A, J. Stacy Adams. So this is the correct option. 17th question, the degree to which an employee being trained is concerned with the immediate applicability of concepts and skills being taught is known as instrumentality. So therefore, the correct option for 17th question is A, instrumentality. So next we have 18th question. Markov analysis is a method of predicting B, internal supply of labor. So therefore, the correct option for 18th question is B, internal supply of labor. So next we go to the 19th question. The different approaches adopted by MNCs towards international human resource management or IHRM are stated in column 1 below. Column 2 provides a different HR strategies followed by MNCs. So match the following. So here the correct option is A. For A it is 2, for B it is 1, for C it is 3, for D it is 4. So let us see that option. So ethnocentric approach, here HR policies and practice are used in the home country are simply exported and applied in the overseas location. That is, whatever the practices that is followed in home country is just applied in the foreign countries. Next, polycentric approach. The correct option is HR practices are adopted to meet the circumstances in the each foreign country location. So according to the foreign country location, these practices are located. Next, C, regiocentric approach. Here HR practices are coordinated with the region and subsidiaries or staffed with people from any of the countries in the region. So according to the local region practices, here HR practices are followed. Next, the D, geocentric approach. HR policies are adapted to the needs of the individual locations to maximize the results. So therefore, the correct option is A. Next, 20th question. Designing an integrated HRD system requires a thorough understanding of the following in the organization. Select the most appropriate answer from the following. So here the correct option is B, organization, culture, existing HRD practices, and the development climate. So therefore, the correct answer for 20th question is B. Now let us go to 21st question. In which demand state consumers are adequately buying all products put into the marketplace? So the correct option is C, full demand. 22nd question. Implementation as important implication for marketers because of its inclusive nature. How many digits unique identification number it is going to carry? That is, what is the total number of numbers in the Aadhaar card? So it is correct option is 12. So for 22nd question, the correct option is D, 12. Now 23rd question. Internal marketing requires dash alignment with the senior management and the dash alignment with the other department. So every one appreciates and supports the marketing effort. Find the correct combination according to the code. So the correct code is B, 2 and 1. So what is that 2 and 1? So that is vertical alignment with the senior management and the horizontal alignment with the other departments. So that is how it is to be done. So vertical alignment, what happens? It follows the hierarchy. That is called top-down approach, from the top management to the lower level management. So that is called vertical alignment. Horizontal alignment is where within the same hierarchy alignment is shown here. For example, general manager of marketing department, general manager of finance department, general manager of procurement department, general manager of production department. So they come under the horizontal alignment. So therefore, the correct option is B, 2 and 1. That is vertical and followed by horizontal alignment. Next, we go for 24th question. Modern marketing management has 4 P's. Find out the correct combination according to the code. So the code is B, people, process. The 5th one is programs and performance. Okay, so this is what is called as the modern marketing management. So the traditional is it is 4 P's: product, price, place, and promotion. The modern one consists of the people, process, programs, and performance. So correct option is B. So which threat from the following is considered as a challenge posed by unfavorable trend or development, that is in the absence of defensive marketing action would lead to lower sales or profits? So the correct option is environmental. So correct option is environmental. For 25th question, the correct option is B, environmental. So next we go for 26th question. From the given below, identify which culture is evident in the communication strategies of today's companies. The correct option is D, youth. 27th question. In the entire exercise of market segmentation, the key is adjusting marketing program to recognize the customer differences. So therefore, the correct option is B. Recognize the customer differences for 27th question. So next we go for 28th question. A research study examining how men and women shop found dash often need to be invited to touch a product, whereas dash are likely to pick it up without prompting. Dash may relate to the product on a more personal level. Dash often like to read product information. So the correct option is A. That is, men often need to be invited to touch a product, whereas women are likely to pick it up without prompting. Women may relate to a product on a more personal level. Men often like to read the product information. So therefore, correct option is A. Next, we go for 29th question. Designing a creative business venture to positively affect both company's cost structure and its value proposition to the consumer is known as blue thinking. So its correct option is C. 29th question, correct option is C, blue thinking. Now we go for 30th question. In the dash, in the emotional branding, a good positioning should contain points of difference and points of party that appeal both to head and to the heart. So the correct option is D, emotional. 31st question, we go to the 31st question. So the 31st first question is like this. Identify from the following which model has been utilized by soft drink companies like Pepsi and Coca-Cola to reach rural markets. So this particular marketing structure what they're using is called hub and spoke system. In hub and spoke system, what happens? There will be a one big town which is interconnected to smaller villages. From the town, the distribution network goes to the nearby neighboring villages. So therefore, it is called as hub and spoke system. So correct answer is B. So next we go for 32nd question. When rural retailers break the bulk, what does it break the bulk means? The bigger quantities are converted into smaller quantities. And you know that in rural markets, the products are sold in small quantities. For example, shampoo bottles are not sold in rural market. Sachets are sold here. So this is what is called breaking the bulk. And sell goods in loose form, often in small quantities. It adversely affects what? It affects brand building efforts of the company. So breaking the bulk is not good for brand building efforts of the company. So therefore, correct option is B. 33rd question, match the following. List 1 versus list 2. The correct option is A. For 1, it is 5. We run trains. We are people and goods mover. Next, second one, we make copy equipment. We help improve office productivity. We sell petrol and diesel. We supply energy. We make movies. We make entertainment market. And fifth one, we sell encyclopedias. We distribute information. We make air conditioners. We provide climate control in homes and offices. So therefore, the correct option is A. 34th question, assertion reasoning. The music industry in India has been undergoing a major change over the last few years. The reason is revenue from the sales of physical medias like cassettes and CDs have been declining, but the contribution of mobile value added services, which is called VAS, such as music downloads through mobile handsets to the total revenue has been increasing. So the correct option is A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. So therefore, the correct answer is A for 34th question. Next, we go to the 35th question. Match the following. So outdoor is related to limited audience selectivity. So direct mail is related to relatively high cost. Newsletter cost could run away, and the internet increasing clutter. So this is how it is related. So the correct option for 35th question is C. 36th question, identify the right sequential order from the codes given under for the firm to make four major decisions about its logistics. So the correct option will be order processing, followed by warehousing, followed by inventory, followed by transportation. So correct option is B. 37th question, personal selling is an ancient art. Effective salespeople today have more than instinct. However, companies now spend hundreds of millions of dollars each year to train them. In what way means representatives are taught a method to build long-term relationship with questions such as problem question, need payoff questions, implication questions, situation questions. So the correct option is B. So situation questions, problem questions, implication questions, and next one is need payoff questions. So this is the order to be followed. So therefore 37th question answer is B. So 38th question, dash, that is cause related marketing links the firm's contribution to a designated cause to customers engaging directly or indirectly in revenue product producing transaction with the firm. So therefore 30th question answer is C. So 39th question, assertion and reasoning. Most companies would prefer to remain domestic if the domestic market large enough. The reason is managers would not need to learn other languages and laws, deal with the volatile currencies, face political legal uncertainties. So in this particular context, the correct option will be B. Both A and R are true, and reasoning is the correct explanation of assertion. 40th question, match the following. Type of control, prime responsibility for one annual plan control is related to top management, middle management. Profitability control is related to marketing controller. Efficiency control is related to line and staff management, marketing controller. Strategic control is related to the top management, marketing auditor. So this is how it is related. So correct option is C for 40th question. 41st question is a problem. So problem oriented one which you have to solve it. So let us see what is the problem. A project cost 20 lakh 60,000 and yields annual a profit of 3 lakh rupees after depreciation at the rate of 12.5% straight line method, but before tax 50%. What will be the payback period for the project? So here you should calculate the answer like this. So profit after depreciation before tax is 3 lakh rupees as given in the data. So less tax. What is the tax? Tax is 50%. So 50% of 3 lakh is 1 lakh 50,000. Add depreciation. What is the depreciation? 12.5% of 20 lakh 60,000. That comes to 2 lakh 57,500. So cash flow after tax, that's called CFAT, is, if you add all these things, you'll be getting 4 lakh 7,500. So therefore, the payback period will be initial investment divided by CFAT. 20 lakh 60,000 divided by 4 lakh 7,500 gives you a period of 5.0055 years. So therefore, the correct option is B. 5 years. So correct answer for 41st question is B. So this is how you have to disseminate the information, and based upon that you have to apply pay back period formula to calculate the answer. So next we go to the 42nd question. In order to receive International Finance Corporation IFC funding, a project must meet number of guidelines. So what are those guidelines? So here the correct option is A, B, C. Project must be in private sector. It must be a technically sound, and it must have a good prospect of being profitable. So correct option is A. So next we go 43rd question, statement 1 and 2. The basic philosophy of reverse merger in India is to take advantage of provisions of Income Tax Act of 1961. Statement 2 says that to avail the tax advantage of demerger, it should be the spirit of section 12, subsection 19AA of the Income Tax Act of 1961. So statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. So therefore, for 43rd question, the correct option is A. Now we go for 44th question, assertion and reasoning. Corporate restructuring has led to dramatic improvement in the corporate performance. Reasoning is corporate restructuring has been fueled by a variety of factors like global competition, technological breakthrough, managerial innovations, regulatory changes, etc. So correct option is A. Assertion, reasoning, both are correct, but and reasoning is the correct explanation of A. So therefore, correct option is A. For 45th question, so here it is related to match the following list 1 versus 2, list 2. The correct option is for A, it is 3. Liquidity ratio, defensive interval ratio. For leverage ratio, it is 1. Debt service coverage ratio. For asset management ratio, it is 4. Bad debts to sales ratio. For operating ratio, it is 2. Labor cost ratio. So correct option is A. So next we go to the 46th question, match the following list 1 versus list 2. So the correct option is the date on which the announcement is made of the new dividend. The correct option is dividend declaration date. And for B, the date on which the member's name appear in the register of members, it is 4. So that is a record date. And for C, the date from which the stock begins to trade without right to the receive the dividend declared, it is 2x dividend date. And the fourth one, the date on which the company actually mails the dividend warrants to the shareholders is 1. It's called payment date. So this is how it is related. 47th question, which among the following has or have given the cash management models? So it is A and B only, that is Miller or and Baumol. So these are the two options. Therefore, the correct option is A. 48th question. So this is once again related to EOQ problem. The annual demand for an item is 3,200 units. The unit cost is 6% and inventory carrying cost is 25% per annum. If the cost of one procurement is rupees 150, what will be EOQ, economic order quantity? So first of all, you should know what you mean by economic order quantity, or EOQ is a tool used to determine the volume and frequency of order required to satisfy a given level of demand while minimizing the cost per order. It is given as square root of 2ds divided by h, where d is called annual demand, s represents the cost of ordering per order, and h represents the carrying or holding cost per unit per annum. Here the annual demand is given. What is the annual demand in the problem? 3,200 units. The unit cost is 6%. The inventory carrying cost is 25%. So we have to calculate like this. So first you have to calculate h. H is 25%, that is 0.25 into 6% into 150 rupees. So if the cost of one procurement, so this is the cost for one procurement. So therefore into 150 you have to multiply. You will be getting answer of 0.225. The cost of ordering per order is rupees 150. So while putting all these things into the above EOQ formula, you will be getting 800 units. So therefore the correct answer for 48th question is the 800 units. So 49th question, which among the following is not correct about the forward contract? So option is A, the contract price is publicly disclosed. So this is not correct. So 50th question, the standardized items in any financial future contract are C, A, C, D, and E only. That is quantity of underlying, the date and month of delivery, the units of price quotation and minimum change in price, and location of settlement. So therefore, correct option is C. So 51st question, statement 1 and 2. Factoring is a financial transaction and type of debtor finance in which the business sells its accounts receivable to third party of discount. The statement 2, a business will sometimes factor its receivables to meet its present and immediate cash requirements. So both statement 1 and 2 are correct. So therefore, for 51st question, answer is C. So now we go to a 52nd question. Which of the following are the limitations of ratio analysis? A, B, and D only. That is, ratio analysis may result in false result if variation in price levels are not considered. So this is one option. Next one is B, ratio analysis ignores qualitative factor or aspect. Next one is D, ratio analysis is historical analysis. So these are the three limitations you can find in ratio analysis. So therefore, for 52nd question, the option is D. Next we go for 53rd question. When two or more firms engaged in same line of business or similar lines of activities join hands together to operate collectively is known as horizontal merger. So the correct option is A. 54th question. Gilt-edged securities are issued by whom? It is issued by government. So therefore option is C. So 55th question. It is a once again a problem related question. A company's share is quoted in the market at rupees 40 currently. A company pays a dividend of rupees 2 per share, and investors expect a growth rate of 10% per year. What will be a company's cost of equity capital? So you have to calculate cost of equity capital. Now let us see how this to be calculated. To calculate the cost of equity capital, or what is known as the KE, we use the dividend discount model (DDM), which is also known as Gordon's growth model. The formula is KE is equal to D1 divided by P0 plus D. Here D1 is called expected dividend for the next year, P0 is the current market price of the share, and G is the expected growth rate. So here D1 is 2 rupees, P0 is 40 rupees, G1 is 10%, that is 0.10, G is 11%, 0.11. So when you put this into this particular formula, KE is equal to 2 divided 40 plus 0.10. So we'll be getting how much we will be getting? 15%. So KE is 15%. So therefore, the company's cost of equity capital with a growth rate of 10%. That means if the growth rate of the company is 10%, so what will be the cost of the equity capital? It will be 15%. So the correct option is 55th question is C, 15%. So this is how you have to use this formula. So we have to use what is called dividend discount model, DDM model, which is also known as the Gordon growth model. So this is the formula. What is the formula? KE is equal to D1 divided by P0 plus P. So next we go to the 56th formula and 56th question, which is also a problem related question. XYZ Limited is expecting an annual earnings before the payment of interest and tax of rupees 2 lakh rupees. The company has in its capital structure 8 lakhs in 10% debentures. The cost of equity capitalization rate is 12.5%. What will be, the question is, what will be the value of firm according to net income approach? It's also called NIA approach. So here net income before EBIT is 2 lakh rupees. So less interest at 10% of debenture. So 10% of 8 lakh rupees is 80,000. So earning available to the equity shareholders is 1 lakh 20,000. How we got this 1 lakh 20,000? 2 lakh minus 80,000 gives you 1 lakh 20,000. Now market capitalization rate is given here. What is that one? 12.5%. So therefore 1 lakh 20,000 into 12.5% gives you it gives you a value of 9 lakh 60,000. So the market value of the equities is 9 lakh 60,000. Now market value of debenture, as we know, it is 8 lakh rupees. Now what will be the total value of the firm? The value of firm will be S plus D. So S plus D. That means 9,60,000 plus 8 lakhs. The total value will be 17,60,000 rupees. So therefore, the correct option for 56th question is B, 17,60,000. So this is how you have to calculate. So you have to calculate the value of firm. Next, we go to 57th question. Equity consists of the following. Which are the following? All A, B, C, D are included. Free reserves, surplus profit, discretionary provisions for contingency funds, development, rebate, reserve. So this is how it is related. So therefore, all are included. Therefore, correct option is D. Now we go to the 58th question. Procurement of funds inter alia. Inter alia includes what are the things? All A, B, C, D. Identification of sources of finance, determination of finance mix, rising of funds, division of profits between the dividends and retention of profits. The correct option is B. So 59th question, match the following list 1 versus list 2. The correct option is the D. Degree of financial leverage is equal to percentage delta EBIT divided by percentage delta sales. So this is D. C is given here, B is given here, A is given here. But here different formulas are given here. So what is the correct option that you have to find out? So what is the correct option? Based upon these codes, you have to find out what are the codes given here. So these are the correct codes given here. So answer is D. For A it is 3, for B it is 4, for C it is 2, for D it is 1. Okay, so this is how you have to match the thing. So please remember these codes. The correct option for 59th question is answer D. For A it is 3, that is for A. Operating leverage, it is contribution divided by EBIT. For B, degree of operating leverage is 4, that is percentage delta EBITDA, EBIT divided by percentage delta sales. And for C, financial leverage, it is 2, EBIT divided by EBT. And the degree of financial leverage is 1, percentage delta EPS divided by percent delta EBIT. So the correct option is D. Now we go to the 60th question, assertion and reasoning. The assertion is the dividend expectation of shareholders are normally higher than the prevalent rate of interest. The reason is dividends are an appropriation of profits and not allowed as an expense under the income tax of 1961. The correct answer is A. Assertion A and reasoning or both are correct, but or is not the correct explanation of A. So therefore answer is A. Now 61st question. Which one of the following is correct? An Indian company which wants globalize would have to. The correct option is adopt internationally acceptable standards and procedure. That means any Indian company wants to globalize, they have to follow the internationally acceptable standards and procedures in the world. Whatever that is followed, same thing you have to follow here. Only then Indian company can become a global company. So the correct answer is D. 61st question, the option is D. Now 62nd question, which of the following is the main objective of importing trade barrier? So the correct option is A, to make balance of payments position favorable. So option is A. 63rd question, assertion and reasoning. Tariffs in international trade refers to the duties or taxes imposed internationally traded goods. The reason is there has been a reduction in average level of tariffs in the advanced countries. So therefore both A and R are correct. So for that the correct option is B. So 63rd question, the answer is B. 64th question, which one of the following is correct in case of anti-dumping? The correct option is A. Anti-dumping measures are employed if dumped imports are causing serious damage to domestic industry in the importing country. So therefore correct option is A. 65th question, which of the following is not the outcome of the proposal of Arthur Dunkel? So the option is quota abolition in textiles. So 66th question, statement A and B, related one. An economic integration scheme is considered as a building block of economic development of the member countries. The statement B, however, it sometimes becomes a stumbling block for the firms to locate outside the block. So correct option is both A and B are correct. So correct option is C. For 66th question, option is C. Now 67th one, answer is A. What is that question? Which of the following is a significant feature of TRIMS? So the answer is export of the part of the financial product will not be mandatory. 68th question, match the following of list 1 versus list 2. So let us see the option. NAFTA. NAFTA is related to USA, Canada, Mexico. Next we have ASEAN or ASEAN. It's also called ASEAN or ASEAN. So the correct option is the B. So Singapore, Brunei, Malaysia, Philippines, Thailand, and Indonesia. These are the countries of this association. Then LAIA. So LAIA includes the Central and South American countries: Chile, Mexico, Peru, Paraguay, Uruguay, Colombia, Ecuador, Venezuela, and Bolivia. Then we have SARC. SARC is related to India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Pakistan, Maldives, Nepal, Sri Lanka, and Afghanistan. So therefore, correct option is C. So 69th question, statement A and B. The products of importing countries would find market as the cost of imported goods is higher than that of the domestic goods. The statement 2, the industry of the exporting country loses the demand for its product, sales and profit. Statement A and B are correct. 70th question, which of the following country benefited more to secure future foreign investment because of NAFTA? It is Mexico. Why? Because both America and Canada, Mexico are the part of NAFTA. America and Canada are developed countries. Mexico is a developing country, so they are getting benefit of the development in America and Canada. So therefore, correct option is D. 71st question, which of the following is the correct sequence in the evolutionary stage of European Union or EU? So correct option is A. European coal and steel community leading to European common market leading to the European economic union. So therefore, correct option is A. Now 72nd question, which of the following is a type of counter trade? Choose the correct code. So the correct code is BABC. That is counter purchase, switch trading, and compensation trade. So flip trading is not there. So therefore, the correct option is ABC related to the B option. 72nd question, the correct option is B. 73rd question, which of the following is not a market intermediary in foreign exchange market? The correct option is C, stock traders. 74th question, statement A and B. Statement A, convertibility of the rupee helps in removal of quantitative restrictions on trade and payments on current account. Statement B says, after the government of India announced a partial convertibility of the rupee in order to integrate the Indian economy with the rest of the globe. Statement here both the statement A and B are correct. So therefore, the correct option is B. So we go to the last question in the paper 3. Which one of the following in India is not involved in controlling MNCs? The correct option is A, SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. It controls the stock market, doesn't control the multinational company. So therefore, correct option is A. So with this, we have come to the end of the analysis of Kset 2017 Management Paper 3. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe by pressing the bell icon. Thank you very much.